future JavaScript developer. By now you know that learning JavaScript will open many doors to you professionally. However, learning it has been a struggle. You find yourself frustrated because the more effort you put in, the less knowledge seems to stick. I'm here to tell you that there is a better way to learn JavaScript. Without long 8 hours videos that you watch, but it doesn't make you learn one bit and makes you feel like you're wasting your time. Without painfully long tutorials that you read, take notes, but after 2 hours of effort you figured that you understood nothing. And without books with 300+ pages that are too complex for a beginner and can only leave you overwhelmed, confused, and unmotivated. I know how it feels because I've been through this exact experience. The big problem with the common educational JavaScript products is that they are not made for the absolute beginner. Common courses and books try to teach you a lot of advanced concepts from start. Here's a fact. When you're a beginner, you don't need to know if JavaScript is an object-oriented language. You don't need to know the history of JavaScript. You don't need to read entire chapters before trying your first codes. And you surely do not need to know every single subject to start building powerful apps. Yet so many books and courses dedicate entire sessions to telling you things that will not make you understand JavaScript. I'm here to tell you that you do not need to learn every single concept at the very beginning. Here is what you need as a beginner. Less theory, more practice. Simple explanations instead of complex subjects. Just like that. When people start learning math, they do not start by solving complex equations or logarithmic operations. They start with 1 + 1 = 2. 1 + 2 = 3, and so on. When people start learning to read, they do not start by reading Shakespeare or learning complex grammar subjects. They start by learning the sounds of A, B, C. Why learning JavaScript should be any different? Why do so many books and courses insist on teaching beginners advanced concepts right at the starting point? This doesn't make any sense. With this in mind, we developed a solution that actually takes into consideration the fact that you are a beginner. A solution that will make you understand JavaScript like no other, because it focuses on the two things a beginner needs: simple explanation, easy practice. It's named JavaScript in less than 50 pages. You will learn through writing codes with real examples from the very beginning. No advanced concepts, no complex subjects, no confusion. Every session is short and well explained. Easy to understand, like 1 + 1 = 2. You will discover how JavaScript can be fun to learn. And by practicing with our easy-to-understand examples, the knowledge will stick. No boring concepts. With less than 50 pages, the book will advance your understanding of JavaScript like no other course, book, or tutorial has ever done. You don't need to learn everything at the very beginning. What you need are simple explanations and practice. Period. And this is exactly what we do in this book. Just search for JavaScript in less than 50 pages on your favorite search engine. And transform the way you learn JavaScript forever.